When purchasing a home in the state of Texas, you have what's called an option period. During the option period of the contract, the buyer may opt out of the contract for any reason. The buyer must deliver the option money within 3 calendar days. Remember, day one starts the following day after execution. The option period is intended to allow the buyer enough time to do their due diligence on the home prior to moving forward with closing. Since the buyer may opt out of the contract for any reason, this is typically when repairs or a change of price is negotiated. Buyers, when you schedule your inspection, the inspector will invite you to the property for the last 30 minutes and give you a summary of their findings. Typically, within 24 hours, the inspector will email the report with you with the photos and a summary, which you'll forward over to me. In a competitive situation, it is a huge advantage to offer a high option fee to the seller. It tells them that you have skin in the game, that you really want their home, and that if you choose to opt out, you will have lost something truly valuable. The shorter the option period length and the more you offer, the stronger your offer is in a seller's eyes. Sellers, during the option period, the inspector will schedule the inspection with showing time. This appointment usually lasts 3 to 4 hours, and it is strongly recommended that you leave the house during this time. Please make sure the inspector can access the electrical panels, the HVAC, the water heater, and any other components within the home. If the buyer continues with the contract to closing, the option money will be credited towards the closing costs. And if the buyer terminates the contract, the seller keeps the option money and the home goes back active onto the market.